Okay.
Miss Vallejo, can you hear us?
Yes, I can now. Yes.
Okay, good. We're just waiting for everybody else to log on, okay?
Okay, thank you. I'm just gonna go to ladies' room before.
Not a problem.
Okay. The
I'm
only
gonna
thing
put-
is, I have to 8 o'clock punch in, so I might have my phone with me. Okay.
That's fine. I'm gonna put you on mute until your case is called, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, Okay. Is that your TV, Estela?
Yes. Can you hear it?
Yeah.
Lower. I hear the news practically all day.
Huh?
I hear the news practically all day.
Oh.
I'm always in the news. You know.
I only watch the news like for the weather, and then that's it. It's supposed to be really bad today. It's supposed to rain and a chance of hail.
I know.
I don't know. I have so many frogs living in my plants. It's crazy.
Really?
Yes.
There's going to be rain.
There's so many frogs.
When there's frogs, there's going to be. I haven't seen any around here. Well, you know, when it starts to rain, you see them, but I haven't seen any lately.
Oh, I've had them. They live in my plants. They live in the succulents.
Really?
Yeah, like they dig a hole and they like back themselves into the hole so only their little head is showing. But like on the smallest one I have, there's 2 living in there, and then I have another plant that they're living in there, and then my Gerber daisies, I have a big one living in there. I have so many frogs.
Oh, are they bad for the plants or no?
Well, I was looking online because I was like, well, they're messing up the dirt, but they say they're good for the bugs, you know, so.
Yeah. My problem, what I have is a lot of spiders.
Me too. I'm starting to get more spiders, and then
and a lot of is the spider webs.
Yes.
So I'm constantly having to be cleaning out my porch and my side of the house and all that. So what I did, I went and got the 7 dust, and I'd be spraying it.
Yeah.
Because the spiders were getting into my plants, and you know it seems to be helping.
Yeah.
I have tried just about everything, and but I got the I had even used 7 dust before, but the powder one. But this time I got the spray one, and this morning I was out there checking them out and all that. It seems like it's kind of working.
And some of my 2 hibiscus, they have one of them has aphids on it. You know, those little, yeah. And so I tried that Castile soap with water, and they really didn't do anything. But then I was like, oh, I noticed all these little yellow and black bugs, you know, crawling all over. And so I went to Grimsel yesterday, and I was like, are these bad? Are they good? And so they're the ladybug larvae.
Oh,
okay. They're good because they like to eat the aphids. So I'm like, okay, good.
Yeah.
But those are the only 2 I have bugs on.
Yeah. See, what were the numbers that you told me on the plants that actually grow here?
The 0, 9, zone 9 and 10. Oh, there's Jorge Green.
Okay. So you actually look for plants that are.
All the plants I've gotten so far, I just make sure they're full sun for 6 hours or more. And I've been watering every day.
Yeah.
Except for when it rains, I don't want to overwater.
Yeah. I have some that are under my porch. So I always keep a bucket on where the water flows in, and I use that for my inner sides.
Yeah.
Porque those won't get watered.
All of mine are out like on the perimeter of the pergola, so they all get full sun. sit for 6
Yeah.
hours or more.
You don't, because you don't have trees, do you?
No, we just have like a couple of palm trees.
Yeah.
But the other day, it rained really hard, and so I didn't water the plants that day
Mhm.
because it
Uh-huh.
rained overnight. And so then I waited until the next day at like noon, and one of my plants was like looked like it died. So I watered
Yeah.
it like right away, and then by
And
the
it just came
afternoon
back.
it was perked up. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. She was thirsty.
Yeah. I was like, oh my God, I hope I didn't kill it. But it was like so much water, I didn't want to like overwater it,
Yeah.
but it's so hot.
No.
So
That's what it is. It dries the dirt up real quick.
yes. So, and then I replanted some cactus and I replanted some of my chili piquin plants because we have them all over the place. So we have so many mockingbirds.
Uh-huh.
So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 7 chili piquin plants.
Wow. Are you using the chili piquin?
Yes, I pick them and I freeze them, and then the rest
Uh-huh.
I'll take to my brother because he wants. I replanted one for him, but I'm trying to get rid of the aphids that are on it right now,
Yeah.
and so I can give it to him because he says there's no mockingbirds at his neighborhood,
Oh.
but there's so many mockingbirds here, and so there's plants all over the place, and they all like are full of little chiles.
Yeah. What I see a lot of here is woodpeckers and some parrots.
Oh yeah, we don't have any.
Yeah.
We have ducks, and we have the mockingbirds, and we
I
have
have ducks too.
a lot of dove.
Yeah, I have ducks también. Pues because of the canal que está ahí, hay en veces andan ahí en el canal.
Oh yeah.
Ah.
No, but oh my
You
goodness.
know, on my back of the yard, I have the wooden fence. I'm really thinking about putting like some kind of other fence where I can see into the field.
Mhm.
Because I see, man, a lot of birds flying all over there.
Yeah.
And so I bet you and there's some pretty birds that sometimes come in and land over here by my porch.
Mm-hmm. We've been getting there were some hummingbirds the other day
Uh-huh.
on my hibiscus, and I've been getting butterflies now too.
I was right now outside, looking at my plants, and I started to hear this banging. Going, what is it? And it stopped. Then it started again. No, it was a woodpecker on my neighbor's deal, but he was banging on es como algo de alambre o fierro que estaba arriba. So
Yeah.
actually, and then all of a sudden he said, "Hey, this is not wood."
Okay, I don't know if the George is there, but Norma signed him in already.
Good.
So I think we have everybody, no?
Yeah. You have yeah.
We have
What
Mr.
about
Sabo, Mr. Green,
okay.
Ms. Vallejo, and Ms. McKinney. Yeah.
Okay.
I don't think we need Alejandro. I text him the stuff, but I said I don't think we need him this morning, and he said he has a docket at 8:30.
Yeah. That's come I told him.
We just need the judge.
Mm-hmm.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
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 Good morning.
We have 2019, we'll call the docket for this morning doing via Zoom. 2019 DCL 3871 Martinez versus Perez, Mr. Orth and Mr. Sables.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning, Frank Sabo, here for the defendant.
Morning, Mr. Green.
Good morning, Your Honor.
What are we doing on this one?
We're ready to go, Judge, but I guess that's not an option.
No, it's not, because the juries have been canceled for June. And to be honest with you, that's a fluid situation. The only thing I can tell you is I'll give you a setting as soon as we get juries available. But at this point, I can't pinpoint a specific date or if July is going to happen or what. So we're going to have to kind of put it on ice and see what develops. But I don't want to walk away without a date. Let's put it out in the future. So I think maybe hopefully by, I want to say August. Mr. Sabo and are you all okay with August?
Judge, my calendar's a mess up through probably March. We're trying to jam so many things in that got reset in on top of things that were already set that it's impossible to get anything on the calendar before March. And even that's not that's pretty crowded.
And it wouldn't have to be on a Monday necessarily, Judge. This will be like our last one with you, a one-day trial. It's going to be 2-3 witnesses at most. And so if Mr. Sabo isn't available on a Monday, if you want to bring us back to pick a jury on a Wednesday in August or September, that'd be fine with me, Judge. But I think this is a 2017 case, or at least a 2017 rec. I just can't see pushing it out that far. I'd rather get it done.
What is it, a car accident?
Yes, Your
Yeah.
Honor.
Well, it's not a complicated thing. Why don't we just shoot for a date in August and then we'll work with that, Mr. Sabo, and see what happens. And because your situation is not we're all in the same boat. This court,
Right.
the court's in the same boat because of a lot of things that have been reset, moved, because of all this thing. So we're backed up too, and we're trying to address one by one and see how that fares out. So let's give it an August. Give me a late August date, Miss Salas.
Okay, let's do August 28th with the 31st.
There you go. 28th for announcement and the 31st for trial. And then we'll deal with that, Mr. Sabo, at that point. Okay?
Yeah. I have 4 other trials set, but whatever.
Yeah, well, we'll figure it
We'll
out.
figure it out.
Yeah, we'll see which one you're going and what we're not going on, and then we'll figure it out. So those are the dates for tentative next time, okay?
August 31, 28 for announcements.
Right, and 31 for trial. Let's see if we have juries by then.
Yeah, I doubt it.
All right. Thank you, guys. Good
Excuse, Your Honor.
Appreciate
Thanks.
you being here this morning. Thank you.
Good seeing you, Judge.
All right, take care. All right, Miss 2017 DCL 7109, Ally Financial, Maricela Vallejo. Is this the same? Oh, the Ms. Vallejo is on the screen here.
Your Honor, I'm here for Ally Financial.
And Ms. Vallejo,
She's trying to unmute herself.
Yes, sir.
Okay, there you go.
morning. We have, what is this set for, Ms. Salas? What is this, announcements or what?
It's a default judgment, Judge.
Oh, that's a foregone conclusion. She's made an appearance now.
Yep.
So that will be denied, the default judgment. Ms. Vallejo,
Yes, sir.
this morning, it was set because you had not responded to the lawsuit that was filed by Ally Financial on this debt. But now that you have made an appearance, they cannot take a default judgment. A default judgment is when somebody doesn't answer, that they just come in and take the judgment, whatever they ask for, because nobody answered, right? But in this case, you have answered by appearing this morning via Zoom. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
I don't know. I can't get into the merits of it, but if you have,
I'm sorry?
who's that? Somebody's coming in.
I think she has multiple meetings going on, Judge.
I'm sorry, I have my other Zoom going on for work.
Oh, okay. Well, this is
I'm
short.
sorry.
Ms. Vallejo, it's incumbent upon you to, if you do deny that you owe this money or that you defaulted in it, you need to get an attorney or you need to file further responsive pleadings so that we can give you a trial date on this thing, okay?
I'm sorry, can you repeat that again?
Yeah. Okay. Here we go.
I just was able to hear a part about something about an attorney.
That if you have a defense to this action, they filed a claim for a debt, right? I'm not sure what is it surrounding a car?
This is a
This
car
is for
debt,
a
Your
car.
Honor.
All right. If you have some kind of defense to the car, that the fact that you haven't made the payment, what have you, you need to respond legally, okay? What is your current, Ms. Salas?
Yes, sir.
Do you have your Ms. Vallejo's address?
I believe I have a phone number here, not address.
What's your
I
current
I don't
address?
know.
What's your current
My ad-
address, Ms. Vallejo?
929 Cielo Grande Drive in Brownsville, Texas.
929 Cielo what?
Cielo Grande Drive in
Cielo
Brownsville.
Grande Drive in Brownsville.
Okay.
You'll receive further notifications of your court settings in the future, Ms. Vallejo. This thing is going to have to come to a hearing so that they can establish a debt. And if they have any legal defense as to why that debt is not owed, at that time, we'll hear it out, okay?
So during that time is when I can give my version of why I was not able to pay for the vehicle?
Basically, yes. Is this having to do with the virus?
No, Your Honor, this was a default from 2015.
Okay. So it was an action filed in 2015.
She defaulted on her car loan in 2015.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Ms. Vallejo?
Yes, sir.
At that time, you can assert your whatever defenses you have to the debt. Okay?
And if I'm not able to get a lawyer, I can just present myself?
Well, we'll try to hear you out and see if you have any legal basis for not being able to pay this car.
Okay, Judge.
All right? Let's give me another, push it down to September or somewhere.
Okay. Let's set it up for September the 24th.
September 24th?
Yes, ma'am. Is this a trial before the court or?
This is a bench trial, Your Honor.
Okay.
Oh, okay. If it's a bench trial, then let's do September 21st.
September 21st. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
The 21st, Ms. Vallejo.
Okay, sir.
And you'll receive notification that at this point, we're hoping we can do it live in the courtroom with all the social distancing and mask and everything. But if we can't do it, we're going to do it in Zoom, okay?
Okay, sir.
All right. Thank you very much for being on the screen this morning. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Likewise.
Judge, we don't have docket on Monday, okay? There's no docket Monday.
But I'm still set for September?
Oh, no. I'm not. I'm talking to the judge, Ms. Vallejo.
Okay.
We are done.
We're done.
We're done with you, Ms.
Okay,
Vallejo.
thank you. Thank you.
Judge, yeah, there's no docket on Monday. Okay.
Okay.
I don't know if Norma has docket or not, but there's no civil.
Okay.
So I'll text you.
All right. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.